guys, welcome back to my channel, Chelsea So Random, and today we have a new item. We have Jersey Mike's sub in a tub. I saw this on Eat with Q and it looked delicious the way she was chomping it down. So I was like, let me introduce it on my channel. So what we got today is the club sub. So it has turkey, ham, apple with smoked bacon, provolone, tomatoes, lettuce, pickles on the side right here, and on the side some chipotle mayo. Now y'all, when I ordered it, I was expecting it to be bigger, but this is what we're working with today. That's okay. Everybody love a quick little mukbang, y'all. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it. Let me open it for y'all. Smells so good. Show y'all before I add the pickles and chipotle. This is what you get. This is how deep it is. This is how much meat. You can see the apple with smoked bacon, the turkey, the ham, the provolone. Okay. And you know what we got for our drink? My favorite brand of soda, or a side of soda, is the Olipop Vintage Cola. Brung the Vintage Cola back because you know we like it. Or we love it, for real. Let's pour some. Y'all, I almost wasted all of this. Almost missed the entire cup. Oh, y'all, look at that. You hear that? That fizz. A little sip. Yeah. So let's get to praying. Let's get to eating. Amen. We have our traditions. Now look, y'all, I have entered the old Christmas napkin stash because we're out of paper towels. So hopefully I look festive. And again, y'all, if I haven't said it already, sorry for the lighting, but we in the kitchen. Disclaimer: kitchen sounds. My husband will be talking in the back, not to me, but to my little boo-boo, my little son, and you'll hear my little baby's voice. Okay, y'all? So disclaimer, y'all, this is a mukbang. This really much looks like my life when I eat. So yeah, so all the pickles, we playing all the pickles. Shout out to my bestie for recommending also this sub in a tub too, because she also told me to get it as well. She says, bomb, girl. I was like, all right, let's do it. And she a Chipotle mayo fan, so this Chipotle mayo, you told me to do it, okay? So y'all, look at that. Told me to do it. I'm trusting her, okay? Trusting her. Oh, is there mayo already on here too? Y'all, is mayo already on here? It's gonna be saucy. It's gonna be a saucy one, y'all. Oh goodness. Y'all. You're gonna see what this do and see if this is a repeat. Y'all like this video if y'all want me to eat this again, because oh baby, I'm hungry. And having a salad for dinner is not the worst thing in the world, actually. All right, y'all, get a pickle. Y'all get the first bite. I mean, okay, so I don't make a mess. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Y'all. Okay. Okay. Wow. Wow. Y'all. This is very good. Okay. This is very good. All my salad lovers, this is a very drenched salad, y'all. Very drenched. But it's packed full of flavor. And they do not skimp on the meat. Very good. As what's your name? Tabitha Brown would say, very good. And that bacon. Okay, yeah, I recommend this one. Excuse me. This bacon is very good, y'all. I'm trying to get another piece of it. Come on now. Look at that. That bacon. My goodness. Very good, y'all. Y'all see? Double pickle. The salad is very refreshing, y'all. So good. Next time, I'll get double. Like double the ingredients, double the lettuce, double the cheese. Very good. And I might need a spoon at some point. Y'all, see that bacon hitting up on there? Y'all look, I'm killing it. Look at that. And then break this bacon up. Mm. Hot bacon. Mm. Wow. Mm-hmm. I will make it less mayonnaise next time, but still very good. Excuse me. Trying to finish this out, y'all. Look at that. Y'all. Can such a small thing make you so happy? Yes. Yes, it can. All right, let's finish it out, y'all. And just like that, y'all. We done. I don't know if there's anything to digest this mukbang. Because the salad went down pretty easy. Okay? Cheers. Excuse me. Oh, we still gonna breathe through it though. Y'all. We done. That was it. It gotta be my quickest mukbang to date. For real. I think so this time. You know when I say, y'all, the food gone, we gone. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friend and enemy. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.